Gondor cake depositor machine. Adopt non-stick circular gears. Reduce cake deforming probability. Custom design for versatility. High-quality filling effect. Production efficiency. High-precision quantitative control. Ensure uniform portion weight. Pour cake batter into hopper. Set the PLC control panel. Intelligent cake pattern recognition. Extrude the cake. Equal ram grouting accuracy. Multiple mold options. Wide range of applications. Client gallery. What our customers say.
Hello dear Lola, thank you for helping me when I needed to buy the dryer. It's working perfectly, it looks great, and everything came as it was supposed to be.